Welcome to the Northwoods RV Life, and today we're going to show you how to light up those steps on your RV, so stay tuned. Okay, so we got these nice solar lights that we bought on Amazon, and I'll include a link below in case you're interested in them. They're just a little battery powered solar light that keeps them charged up. It's got a motion sensor on it, and we're going to mount these next to our steps right here on the side of our camper. And that way when you walk up to the steps at night, when the light might be dim, maybe on your awning light, or maybe you don't have your porch light on in the middle of the night and you were outside and you're coming back to it, it can light up and it'll shine the light down on the steps, and hopefully it's low enough to don't bother our neighbors or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started on these and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, we'll measure over here a couple inches. Let's put a little score mark right there. What we want. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and hold this up here and we'll drill a couple little pilot holes for the screws. Now these only have the two top mounting points. So they don't have a bottom mounting point, so I'm concerned that there might be some maybe flopping in the wind or something when we're hauling it down the road. So I'm going to take some silicone rubber when I install these in the final part of here. I'm going to put some silicone rubber on the back, just so then that squeezes down on there. It kind of helps, that keeps the wind from catching it so don't rip it off. Okay, we're gonna put a little dab of silicone in each one of these little holes here. Just to make sure we keep the water out. On the back of our light, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some silicone on here. Don't want a lot, we don't want too much oozing out here, but we want to try keeping it so the wind don't catch these things. There's only those two little mountain holes on there. Okay, we'll get these in here. We'll just snug those up. A couple screws. By the way, the mounting screws that come with it aren't really made for doing this on a camper. They're made for putting like into masonry, or like you'd put on your maybe your porch or maybe your deck steps type thing. So we dug up in our junk drawer here and we dug up some screws to throw in there, and what I'm going to do, these things are always a little floppy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and Just kind of push that against there and hold it for a little bit. And okay, we'll peel the little protective coating off of the top right here. That's one down. I also want to point out on these before we mount the second one, there is a little power thing right here that you put a little paper clip in to be able to turn it on and off. So if you want to turn them off for storage or whatnot, that you don't want them to come on with the motion sensor, you can turn them off. So that's a plus. Okay, we're going to just go ahead and we're going to do the same thing on this side. We'll grab our tape measure here. We're going to measure over 2 inches right there. I'll put a little score there if you can see it. Okay, we're going to go ahead again. I'm going to put a little dab of silicone over the holes. Help seal them up so we don't have water penetrating that. Same thing again on the back of this one. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to put some silicone rubber on there. I'm using just the clear. Again, this is just to help keep those from catching wind when you're going down the road and breaking off. Just give it a little something extra in just these 2 mounting points. Trying to do this left-handed. Just snug them up. Be careful not to do too tight. These are just made of plastic. Okay. Same thing. I'm just going to give this a little press against there and hold it for a little bit. Let that silicone make good contact with it. Okay, we'll pull off our protective cover here and we'll wait till it starts to get dark and we'll see what these do for us. It should cast a lot of light right here at the base of the steps. Also, what we're kind of hoping is that when we go camping, we typically put a cooler on each side of the steps here. So hopefully when it's dark and you open up a cooler door, hopefully the door, is off from the edge of this a little bit and can cast some light into the cooler so you can see in the dark a little bit. But we do have cooler lights for our cooler as well if it doesn't. But mainly we wanted to be able to light up our steps a little bit better in the dark to be able to see where you're coming into the camper. So hopefully this will work. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We hope to see you out there. Thanks. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, subscribe here.